It's not that I don't want you here.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is part 6 of my hair care routine. In my last video I showed you guys my blow drying routine, so now I'm going to show you guys my favorite protective style I like to do on my hair. So first I'm going to start off with the Crayon Lily aloe vera buttercream, and I'm just going to use this buttercream all over my hair, preferably on my ends. This hair butter is part of my hair strengthening collection. So before I go into a protective style, I like to use this buttercream on my hair. It helps to provide hydration, strengthens the hair, as well as boost shine, and it also helps with excessive shedding. So one of my favorite protective styles is mini braids slash plaits. Well, mine's are more like medium size, but you get what I mean. But yeah, I prefer to do these mini braids on my hair because I feel like there's more versatility, and I just do it on my natural hair. I don't add braiding hair to my plaits, but you can, of course, you know, those are just regular braids or knotless braids. I wish I could do knotless braids, but anyways, I prefer to do mini braids on my hair just because sometimes I don't feel like always wearing a wig. So normally I wear a wig over my mini braids, but lately I haven't been feeling like wearing a wig. So this way, like, I am able to wear a wig when I want to, and then when I don't want to, I could still wear my mini braids. Someone else had asked me why don't I do cornrows, and the reason I don't cornrow my hair is because I am not the best braider in the world. It's easier for me to do plaits on my hair than it is cornrows, so that's why I do the mini braids. Before I started doing mini braids on my hair, I used to do mini twists on my hair, and I noticed when I would do like a protective style for a long period of time in twist, that my hair would begin to start to lock up. So that is why I no longer do twist anymore, because when it was time to take those mini twists down, like, I would get a lot of tangles and a lot of matting. So I prefer to do the mini braids now instead. So my parts are not going to be straight just because I really can't look at the mirror because I'm trying to show you guys me doing my hair. So, but yeah, it doesn't really matter to me. I don't care if my parts are straight or not. But yeah, so this video is not going to be like a how to braid your hair tutorial. I wouldn't even know how to begin explaining how to braid. So I know there's plenty of videos on YouTube on how to braid your hair. So like I said, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys how I do my protective styling.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
So after I am done plaiting my hair, I'll use my fenugreek and aloe vera hair serum, which is also a part of the Creole Lily Hair Strengthening Collection. And I like to use this serum on wash days. And I'm just going to use this serum all over my scalp and my hair. So that is the end of my hair routine series. I hope you guys liked the breakdown of my hair routine. I hope you guys found it informative, and I hope you guys got a better understanding of what I use on my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this series. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.